What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to let your WordPress website users choose your website preferred language. Okay, so imagine the following scenario. You run a forum, you run a big e-commerce site, or you run a community site that lets persons create profiles. Imagine that into the WordPress user profile page, the user can set the website preferred language. Okay, some persons preferred it in English, in Spanish, in Portuguese. Let's any user choose the language of your site. How to do this? Into a simple, fast, and very effective and free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics or choose internet and sites favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is navigate to your WordPress dashboard, view the left sidebar of menus, and hover your mouse over plugins. You're gonna click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to keyword, there is a field called search plugins. We're gonna click on it and type preferred language, just like this. And here is the guide that we're looking for. Okay, click on install now. Now click into the activate button. You can click into the activate button once again to be redirected to the WordPress plugins list. A list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, okay? And here is the plugin. There is no much settings panel yet, okay? So there's nothing much to do. But if you go to your user profile, and any user can do this, okay? Normally when you log on WordPress, you have this upper profile independently, or if you are a customer, or if you created a profile to post on your site, you have this user profile. Okay, so click on your edit profile link into the upper right corner of a screen. Okay, there is your name, and normally you go to this profile. You can choose the color theme, you can set some options, but there is the new option, the language. Choose language for displaying WordPress in order of preference. My case is gonna be English. Now English, okay, maybe Portuguese, so you can choose just like Windows, and after doing your change you can move up, move down, remove, okay, up to you. After doing your change, all you have to do is save your profile, update the profile. And you are good to go, and the site gonna be displayed into this language, okay? Remember, the site, I means all of the dynamic pages, all of WordPress pages, all of plugin created pages, or of theme related pages, as long as your theme have a translation, okay? So normally WordPress gonna translate it all for you. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You're gonna be enhancing the options that the user have on their profile to customize their profile and make it more personal, and it's a very good idea. Okay, and that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Visual Modo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your sites using Elementor or Gutenberg, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best for WordPress theme that can start to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, websites platform where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or Sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where we can promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design. Or as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium while you're doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, in addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more features to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!